What up, y'all? In this video, we're going to see how to use Mac to produce a blank calendar template. This is part of Conquering College Lab 1, Scheduled to Succeed. So here in a Mac, I go to Applications, which is over here, and then I click on Calendar. If I open that, I can actually go up to the File and then down to Print. Here, I actually don't like to include any dates, and this includes birthdays and holidays. And then to be honest with you, I like these to be completely clean. I don't even like the upper version here, and I don't need the calendar keys also. Remember that in this quarter, we're looking at April, May, and June 2022, since this is spring quarter. So I actually want to print 3 months, and it's going to start on this month and it will stop 3 months later. So this will go through June. If I wanted to print 4 months, I just do this. If I wanted to print 12 months, I would go up. But in this case, all I want is 3 months. So I continue. And then of course, I'm going to go ahead and open in preview. So this gets me into the preview app. And then what's really cool about this is when I go to print this thing, I can actually scale it down by 90. And I like that because it means I can write on the sides. And then if I open this thing in preview, this will produce yet a different one. And then I can save this. Let's go ahead and save this in desktop. So I'll call this winter 2000, this is going to be spring quarter 2022 blank calendar template. And then once I save, when I go back over here, I can now hook this computer up to a printer and print it, and this will give me April, May, and June, and these are all blank. In my situation, I usually like to start these on Mondays, which is really not hard to change that. To do that, we go Preferences, and see how it says this week starts on Sunday. I'm going to go ahead and switch this over to Monday. And we'll go 7 days a week, starts at 8 a.m., goes to this p.m. Okay, so that's really good, which means that I can redo this, right? So I can print it once more. Let's go ahead and just click all these out. So there's that, and then we'll click all these off. And this is 3 months since this is spring quarter. And we'll go ahead and open in preview. When I print this thing in preview, I can shrink it down once again. I like this to write on the side, like I said, and I'll save. And when I click on this, I can use the same thing and we'll replace it. So now I have the exact document that I want. It starts on Mondays and goes to Sundays. And when I click over here, now I can just print that document. Now, of course, many of you might have realized that in our Conquering College lab, let's see if we can get down to this thing. I've actually given you access to a template, which is done on Microsoft Office. So if you go over to this one, create your term-long calendar, and then if you scroll down to the academic calendar template, this is a blank template that has all the days. So you'd actually have to type it. So this is going to be April 2022. And then, of course, if you wanted to start on Monday, you could change that, and then you put in all the dates. So this is an equivalent version of that. There's also, if you just search online, so blank calendars, literally just online, free print. Let's do that. Free printable calendar 2022, and let's see what it produces. Check that out. So first draft. It's printable, super easy to print this, has all the days done, has some national stuff, and this is the same thing, right? It doesn't really matter how you produce this. The point is to have a blank calendar that you can print and then write in. Okay, hopefully that answers the question on how to get access to a free calendar. Of course, you could also buy one from a local store. That also works if you don't have a printer. All right, y'all. Thanks for your attention. I'll see you in the next one.